हेलो ब्यूटीफुल पीपल, वेलकम टू टॉक्स विदाउट अ मैप। यहाँ हम जीपीएस भी ऑफ करते हैं और लाइफ के अनलिखे यानी अनरिटन रूल्स को ऑन करते हैं। मैं हूँ रिद्धिमा, द रिबेल हु थिंक्स pajamas should be legal everywhere, and with me is the man Rohan who says fashion matters.
Absolutely, it does matter. And fashion is not just about hair gels and these deodorants and those perfumes and everything. Fashion, I feel like, is you. You
Yeah.
have to, how you display yourself and in the right situation, right time, right amongst the right people. Yeah, that's fashion for me.
So you are your own designer.
Oh, sawal. Designer, yeah. Stylist, let's just
Stylist,
say.
yeah.
Of course I am.
एंड लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट, इंडिया में सबसे बड़ा फैशन इवेंट होता है द एयरपोर्ट लुक। माई गॉड, पीपल आर ऑब्सेस्ड विद देयर एयरपोर्ट लुक। आई मीन, do you really need those big size sunglasses when you're catching a 6 a.m. flight? क्या है यार, क्या रनवे पे उतरने वाले हो, क्या करने क्या वाले हो कि तुम्हें एयरपोर्ट लुक इतना मैटर करता है?
I always believe like who decides this? I mean, यहाँ ये jeans पहननी है, like airport for example.
हाँ.
यही jeans, यही goggles, उसी तरह का t-shirt and ये वो, who decides this in the first place? Let me ask.
हाँ, exactly my point. I think you should wear whatever you are comfortable in. नहीं तो हम लोगों के लिए ड्रेसअप करते हैं and then we are awkward wherever we go.
Yeah.
So what's the point?
Absolutely. Speaking of occasions and all, funerals पे you wear white. But if you wear the same white at a birthday party, people look at you like you just crashed the wrong event.
हाँ, अरे this reminds me, Karan Johar in one of his interview he said मेरे पास funeral का wardrobe नहीं है.
क्या बात है?
I mean funeral के लिए wardrobe?
वो इतने जाते ही नहीं होंगे इतने funerals में शायद.
नहीं, they have to ना, in those white pajama kurtas and white is their.
Yeah, so Gucci still hasn't made a funeral segment
attires,
or
yeah.
whatever. Yeah. But again, coming back to the airport, since both of us love to travel, again airport comes in the picture. Anyway, so क्यों, मतलब why is there an airport look in the first place? मतलब तू plane ले रहा है या fashion week walk कर रहा है? पजामा पहन लो यार, you're sitting in a cramped seat for hours. That's what I do at least.
अभी बीच में I had gone to Delhi for some function. Okay, now from there I had to get back to the airport. So I had to go in the same attire which was like थोड़ा party wear था, but I had to go in the same attire. But I was feeling little, अरे will I look out of place? इसके लिए मैंने टॉयलेट में जाके फिर वो ड्रेस चेंज करके फिर मैं कैजुअल लुक में आ गई. Because I was feeling little, अरे क्या will I be judged? ये मेरा हुआ था.
Toilet में change करना, that reminds me, it's very cumbersome.
I know, and it's so dirty यार.
It's extremely, even for men, I feel like, because see, changing is not always कि अरे ये कपड़े निकाले और वो पहन लिए. There are so many things. You need to style yourself. You need to set your hair. You need to, pant भी नीचे नहीं लगनी चाहिए actually floor पे, ideally. Then what shoes you're wearing. So if at all those shoes you don't want to wear, or if at all the pant cannot enter through those shoes, then वो shoes भी उसी मतलब फ्लोर पे निकालो, and then all those things come into picture, and then people still look at your what is, as if changing देखना is some kind of a alien thing for people look at you that way. But I've seen people who carry these huge bags, like big bags, and then party event जो भी हो, then they enter the washroom, the loo, they change, and wahi bag like then in some other attire they have come out.
They do that.
Yeah.
Especially I think the Bollywood celebrities, they do that. I
don't know Bollywood, but I have seen normal people also doing it otherwise also. And best place is wedding, अपना ये receptions, parties. So if you're traveling, say for example you're traveling by train or some public transport, या कहीं कहीं जगह for girls, especially, they don't prefer wearing short clothes out. They like to do it in an indoor space. So वो क्या करती हैं, they wear normal clothes. ये घर के भी कभी कभी कपड़े होते हैं. They travel on those, they carry that in a theli, and then they change it once they enter the event. मतलब ऐसे भी नहीं कि बाहर कहीं चेंज करके आगे, they come in those that normal dress or whatever, that casual wear, they enter the washroom, they change and then they come back again.
What
and
to do?
और घर जाते वक्त वापस वो पहन के
casual.
Even guys do it. I'm not saying no over here. Reminds me of college and school days when you had to carry your civil clothes. स्कूल में स्पेशली यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं तो यू नो ड्यूरिंग सम इवेंट यू हैड टू वेयर नॉर्मल क्लोथ्स
or for some classes post school hours.
So stuff all that clothing inside your bag, go inside the washroom, change it and come back, and then again rechange it into your uniform and stuff. I remembered that. Yeah, you had something to say?
Nee, and you know, normally if I have to change in the washrooms and all, what I do is I carry a bottle of sanitizer and then I sanitize my clothes, you know, and sanitize myself. It's because somehow I feel yuck, you know, changing in the washrooms. Yeah.
See, somebody has said that let's talk about gym clothes. Have you noticed कि अब लोग जिम में भी फैशन परेड करते हैं, मैचिंग शूज, नियॉन टी शर्ट्स, कलर्ड कोऑर्डिनेटेड स्लीपर्स. भाई पसीना आएगा, not a photo shoot. I don't agree with this. I feel like when you're at a gym, you have to look nice. Like when I go to the gym, I see to it that my t-shirt and my shirt, I mean my jersey, match with each other. T-shirt and did I just say t-shirt and jersey together? Yeah. No. What I meant to say is my jersey and my shorts. My shirt.
The synthetic.
Yeah. Or my t-shirt or my shorts and my shoes. Many a times they're of the same brand also. Like ऊपर से नीचे तक it's Puma only.
But is it because I mean
I love it.
You are not that much on social media. I mean because people dress up for social media because they have to put up stories.
God bless them. Yeah.
So
ठीक है ना तो क्या see what happens is if I really see someone on social media who's matching and if it really looks good, I'm not saying it should look gaudy and over the top. If it looks good, it's an inspiration because I personally like wherever I go, I like to look good in my clothes.
Obviously.
Yeah. So matching होना थोड़ा it should also suit the exercise that I'm planning to do. But अच्छा भी दिखना चाहिए.
So see, more than that, what I feel is you have to feel confident.
Yeah. Okay. Absolutely.
Yeah. Like I mean, don't dress up for others. Dress up for yourself.
True.
And if you feel confident, if you feel happy, and that's going to come out as your expression whenever you're in public. And that'll be more useful, right?
I think most of us have a niche, should I use this word? Like we have this one preference. Like since childhood I've always loved wearing shirts. Although nowadays I am more on the loose t-shirt kind of category or even normal t-shirts, but I still prefer wearing shirts. Whether they're short ones, whether they're long sleeves. And I feel like you decide this based on your body type as well. कुछ लोगों को sleeveless अच्छा लगता है, दिखता है. I don't like to wear sleeveless much. Some boys who have like rippling muscles and you know biceps and all, तो उनको वो sleeveless अच्छा दिखता है. Because it suits their body type.
But talking about sleeveless, I remember, I mean, I'm told that you know particular arms के लिए ही particular shape of arms के लिए ही sleeveless अच्छा दिखता है and all, like you know. So who decides that? If I'm feeling comfortable in sleeveless, why not? Why are you going to decide?
No, I think now neither I or nor you we care about these things. Like who thinks about what. But still I am a little conscious about how I look. When I look at myself in the mirror and I feel like no, this is not matching. Because there are certain combinations of clothes which look really nice on some people.
Yeah.
And if I try to emulate or you know I get inspired and I'm like aaj se main bhi, I don't look good. Or maybe mentally I'm not there. Because clothes are your reflection also at the same time.
Yeah, obviously.
The kind of clothes, the quality of clothes, the color of your clothes.
And depends on your mood also at that time. You know?
True.
Yeah.
You know, मेरा तो ऐसा होता है कि it depends on my work also. If my work is not that important, then I really wear some shady clothes at times because I have kept some because they're very comfortable to wear. They're very comfortable. The colors are not very bright and they could look like I'm a homeless person. Let's be honest. They do resemble. But then when I'm traveling by train and stuff, then I have to wear such kind of clothes. और वहाँ पे लोग भी ऐसे कपड़े नहीं देखते हैं. They just see your work.
Yeah.
But then there are certain people like the meeting that we just went to, for example. You need to be dressed well. So I have those things in my mind when I am like the fashion thing comes in picture at that time. Even when I'm traveling, okay, अब यहाँ जाना है मतलब गार्डन में जाना है तो ये पहनना है. ओके बस वहाँ पे व्हाट टाइप ऑफ पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट वी आर गोइंग टू बी यूजिंग, वेदर कैसा है, it all depends on those.
I don't think so much. Like as I told you, like you know, it depends on my mood. अगर मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि means वो मेरा mood होगा कि अच्छा तैयार होके जाना है, like you know, with maybe in our Indian outfit with jhumkas, with bindis. Yeah, I dress up like
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
But
yeah.
it's sometimes I feel I feel very comfortable in ripped jeans also, so I wear those. And तो उसके लिए भी I get judged. अरे ये एज में ये ऐसे कपड़े डाल अरे
Age.
I feel comfortable.
Judging though is there. We will
Yeah,
come to that
yeah,
later
yeah.
on judging. Yeah, but clothes do play a vital role, I feel. Speaking of that, what about weddings?
Oh my God.
Why is it that at Indian weddings the guests look more decked up than the dulha dulhan themselves? I've seen this so much. Like sometimes even I am more dressed than the dulha
And
dulhan.
किसका ध्यान रहता है यार? I mean, we are so conscious कि अरे मैं अगर ये डालूंगी तो अच्छी लगूंगी कि ये डालूंगी तो अच्छा लगेगा. अरे who's going to look at you?
Sometimes I feel the real competition is between the auntie's saris and not the bride and the groom.
Yeah.
It's literally, and I have observed this. I don't know if it's happening in your house, but with my mom, it happens that they reserve some saris or jewelry for a particular function. मतलब अब अरे हाँ इसकी शादी है ना उसके लिए ये साड़ी है उसके ऊपर ये अच्छा दिखेगा और this will look better. Then I was like no but wear this. No this is for this person's wedding.
And again the number of people who are going to be there in the function that also determines what kind of clothes you're going to wear.
Of course, and the kind of people also.
Kind of people,
and
course.
where, like for example, it's in Mumbai, then it's going to be a certain way.
Yeah.
If it's now we had a wedding in Peru last year, my brother's wedding. So वहाँ पे again my mom had to decide नहीं वहाँ पे ऐसे होगा. So
Western शायद.
Western and the people out there are fascinated by Indian clothing and all. So you should wear some really gorgeous saree out there. What complements your personality. And even I was very particular when I chose my Indian wear at that time. But yes, weddings are the best place to, I'm sorry to say, but to judge other people based on their clothes.
And have you noticed that people who go for, I mean, especially the women, when they go out for holidays in different countries, now they have started wearing saris. They flaunt their saris.
What? Since when?
कब से यार? Like अभी तो my daughter-in-law, she had gone to Indonesia. She wore one of her saris and she flaunted it, and my son was riding a scooter and she was sitting at the back and it looked very cute.
But I have seen the other side more, where in their hometown they can't really wear Western clothing or short clothes and some let's just say sexy wear, especially women. And when they go on a holiday, this happens even in Goa. They start wearing clothes which, I'm sorry to say, but don't really suit them. Maybe they don't suit them because they don't wear it often. So they can't carry it. They are conscious and uske upar they are going to wear some Indian jewelry and all on Western clothes. I don't think that complements well.
हम लोग ना ये newly married रहते, especially the.
It was red at the.
So we call them Chuda gang. Chuda gang
Please,
on the
people
beach.
don't get offended by what we're talking
this is
over
just
here.
for
It was red bangles and itna mangal sutra hota
Yeah.
and all of that. And then they, I don't know, out of nowhere it just pops up, and then the second day you don't see them wearing that same thing. And और वो उनकी पैंट भी एक टाइप की होती है, that 3/4. I don't know what it is. Yeah. Oh Bunty, those kind.
You know who we are talking about.
Yeah. No offense again. I'm very sorry. Yeah. And what is your take on temples, like dress codes and stuff like that?
Earlier, whenever we used to travel to Goa, I would be in casual clothes. Or Goa mein, I love to wear shorts because, that vibe is like that. So earlier, they never objected you wearing shorts in the temple. But now, since last, I think, 6-7 years, they have stopped that. And I get that point because what he said कि जब तुम गुरुद्वारा जाते हो तो सर ढक के जाते हो ना, तो अपने temples में क्यों आप लोग ड्रेस होके नहीं आते हो? And I get that point. And after that फिर मैं पूरे कपड़ों में जाती हूँ. But even in Thailand or Indonesia, if you are wearing short clothes, you have to wear a sarong or something to cover your. You can't keep your shoulders or legs exposed, so you have to cover yourself. That's why they keep sarongs there. अभी यहाँ पे गोवा के temples में भी वो करने लगे.
Yeah,
that's a good thing.
It is prevalent in South Indian temples as well.
Yeah.
Even for men.
हाँ.
So you have to be dressed
Lungi.
modestly, what they say, and there is a dress code for that. In fact, in most of the Islamic countries, even men are forbidden from showing their skin.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's that gender bias, that men can wear whatever they want, and then
Women.
Women have to be covered, but men can come only on lungi or whatever. But you get my point, what I'm trying to say. But ऊपर सब ढका नहीं होगा तो भी चलेगा that way. But in Islamic countries and I think in mosques as well, even men have been advised, and it's very strict that they have to be dressed modestly. So I think modesty is one thing which your clothes can definitely show, and because you're going there with pure intentions, you're trying to seek something from the Almighty. एंड मॉडेस्ट ड्रेसिंग ये इम्पोर्टेंट है. वहां पे कवर अप करना या अच्छे कपड़े पहनना, दिस इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट इज मॉडेस्ट क्लोथिंग इज. सो टेम्पल के बारे में इवन आई एम वेरी फर्म दैट व्हेन यू गोइंग टू अ टेम्पल वेयर मॉडेस्ट क्लोथ्स. बाद में पार्टी में पहनना ही है, बाद में जाके भगवान तो वहां तो कुछ नहीं, मतलब यहाँ भी जज नहीं करेंगे, बट यू हैव टू बी मॉडेस्ट व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू हिज हाउस. That's what I feel. Speaking of house, किसी के घर में जाते हैं तो what do you think? What is more comfortable?
It depends on what kind of people I'm visiting to. Like if they are too conservative, then I would prefer.
Just imagine if they're going to conservative house wearing all, what do you say, funky clothes and all.
I know. मैं थोड़ा सा केयर करती हूँ यार, because there are people who don't care actually. But अभी तक मेरा है थोड़ा सा. बट उसमें भी मैं अपनी फैशन चला लेती हूँ.
अच्छा है.
या
बट आई फील लाइक, I mean, people should also be conscious about wearing good clothes. I mean, I see a lot of people who are so not bothered about what they wear, how they wear, when they wear. एक ही कपड़े 3 दिन पहनते हैं. I mean, it's not good even hygiene wise if you really check. And then, I mean, what are you doing in your life? That's my question. सुबह पहना तो रात तक वही पहनते हैं. सोते भी उन्हीं कपड़ों में. मतलब आप नाइट ड्रेस भी अच्छा पहन लो यार, स्टे एंड लिव विद दैट काइंड ऑफ डिग्निटी. आई पर्सनली फील, या आप बाहर जाते हो, वेयर नाइस क्लोथ्स, लेट पीपल लुक एट यू एंड लेट पीपल बी इंस्पायर्ड एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. सो आई फील लाइक if you're not paying attention to these things, तो वो भी अच्छी बात नहीं है.
And और एक चीज what I have noticed, there are so called brand conscious people. They wear branded clothes but they don't carry that confidence. No. And then they have to tell us कि अरे ये मैंने ये ब्रांड का खरीदा है, वो ब्रांड का खरीदा है. Actually when they wear, it looks like they have bought it from some first copy or नहीं, सच्ची I've seen so many people like that. Whereas रोड के कपड़े लेके जो कॉन्फिडेंस में पहनता है ना,
वहाँ तो हम ब्रांड नहीं देखते. That person itself is a brand.
And tell me honestly, who comes and checks your tag?
Nowadays so we don't have time to even check the person. तो tag तो क्या मतलब क्या होने वाला.
So why not wear what you are comfortable in, na? When we are talking about clothes, I can't forget Ranveer Singh.
But nowadays I don't think he's, or at least I am not following him. So
maybe बाप बनने के बाद he's gone थोड़ा low key.
क्या मालूम यार.
But I really appreciate his confidence, even for that matter.
But he's bindas.
Karan Johar. That's the way you should be.
Ranveer is bindas only as it is.
I mean, I'm not advocating his sense of styling, but he is comfortable. He is bindas. Then kya hai yaar?
He's comfortable not wearing clothes also completely. That also we have seen.
And it takes guts, right?
Yeah.
I mean, wearing clothes and
not wearing clothes also, both ways.
Confidence and so that they have. So I really appreciate even Karan Johar. He wears those blingy clothes.
Yeah.
He has that. And उनका ये देखो ना, they have achieved something in life. So we should look at that.
That's true. मतलब नाम में क्या रखा है, वैसे कपड़ों में भी
कपड़ों में क्या
रखा है. But I still feel observe some fashion. I personally feel. Anyway, so let us know what you think about dress codes. Let us know if you know how these dress codes have come into picture in the first place. Whether it is gyms, whether it is airport look, not to mention whether it is weddings, meetings. The list is endless.
Are these just designers who are advocating these looks, so-called looks? और जो brands है, companies, gym wear or party wear or whatever. So these labels are they like
Sponsoring or
trying
something?
to, no, not sponsoring, they are like to promote their labels, they are वो ऐसे looks बोलते हैं कि ऐसा look होना चाहिए, वैसा
अच्छा,
look
अच्छा,
होना,
अच्छा।
and that's how they are marketing their own labels. That's what I feel.
Okay, okay. They're bombarding that kind
Yeah,
of
so
knowledge.
could be marketing, और celebrities डालेंगे तो
सब
normal,
पहनेंगे।
हाँ,
Yeah, yeah.
so it's kind of marketing, I feel.
Cool. So just let us know what you think about this. Also, let us know what kind of fashion trend you like the most. Till then, signing off on Talks Without a Map. Bye bye.
See ya.